In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a single check in QuickBooks Online on a computer. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in on a supported browser and that your check stock is loaded correctly in your printer. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can print with confidence the first time. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Suppliers. Depending on your region, this may be labeled Vendors, but it's the same place where your payees are listed. This view helps you find the person or business you want to pay without jumping between screens. Click the supplier you want to pay to open their profile. From here, you'll start a new payment. Select New Transaction and then choose Check. This opens the check form, which is what we'll print. Now fill out the check details carefully. Confirm the payee field matches the supplier you're paying. Choose the correct bank account that the check will be drawn from. This ensures your records and check numbers stay accurate. Set the date to the day you want on the physical check, and enter the amount exactly as it should appear. Take a moment to review these fields. What you enter here is exactly what we'll print. If you use memos or need internal details for your bookkeeping, you can add them in the appropriate fields on this form so everything is properly documented. When the details look good, go to the bottom of the form and click Print Check. QuickBooks will guide you to the printing screen. Here, select your printer and confirm your print settings. Make sure you're using the right paper size for your check stock, the correct tray if your printer has more than one, and that scaling is set to 100% or actual size so the check aligns properly. If you've previously aligned checks in QuickBooks, those settings should carry over. Still, a quick glance at the preview can save you from misprints. Now click Print. Your check will be sent to the printer with the information you just entered. Give it a moment to complete, and don't remove the paper until the printer is finished to avoid smudging or misalignment. Finally, return to QuickBooks and click Save and Close. This records the check in your books and closes the form, keeping your accounts up to date. That's how you print a single check in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.